My channel. The reason I started this channel is because of a personal situation. Last December, I was driving to work early one morning. It was dark out and I hit something with my car. My beloved 2011 Toyota Camry SE. And the only thing I saw was what seemed to be a tire bouncing away. It felt like I hit a curb, but I managed to start the car back up. I think it shut down, but I pulled it over to the side of the road and it was steaming. I thought it might have caught fire. It was catching fire, but it was just steam from the radiator, which had been hit by this object. Here's a picture of my Camry before, and here's a picture of my Camry, the front end, after. And as you can see, the radiator is pushed back, the grill of course is pushed in, the object somehow bounced, either went through, I went over it and it bounced out, no, it had to go through the grill and hit the radiator and hit the crossbar. I'll zoom in on the picture to see, so you could see. It's kind of hard to see in the picture, but it hit the crossbar, the frame, and it dented the frame. And then it looks like it bounced out. It must have bounced out back through the front or underneath. I don't know how, but I did see what looked like a tire bouncing away right after. I thought it was a tire came off my car, but I was able to move the car to the side of the road, and then the point is the car was totaled and suddenly I had to shop for a new used car. I'm not a professional car dealer. It's been years since I shopped for a car. I'm not really a mechanic at all. I don't know what to look for in cars. Luckily, I got some advice from a guy that I know who worked selling used cars for like 20 years. But outside of that, he didn't come with me to look at cars or to help me. He gave me tips on shopping, like Facebook Marketplace is a good place to get to shop for used cars. And then I also got this thing, it's called the fixed Bluetooth OBD2 scanner, which plugs into the modern cars, and you can see on your phone, you download the app and you can see anything wrong with the car, like electronically. It's not totally comprehensive, but it's a good starting point. And so whatever, so I created this website. There's a free download there. You can download this used car buying checklist, and look, here's a copy of it, so that when you go to meet with the person, well, the first step is research the car's market value, check the car's history report, arrange financing if needed, prepare a list of questions to ask the seller. This is what I wished that I had. I mean, I didn't wish for it because I didn't know. I was just going into it and haphazardly doing things and meeting with the person. I did do market research on my car and my range of what I needed, but if I had this checklist, it would have been really helpful. And I also have negotiation tip, another sheet that you can download separately, or you can download as the full package, where you go through, it has tips for negotiating with the seller. No like scammy stuff. In fact, there's nothing. This is purely for you, anybody who's in that position, to have a ready-made checklist, negotiation tips, and then I have another checklist that's for when you're driving the car. So you don't have to think about it. You can just refer to the checklist. That eliminates the emotion from the buying. You could just say to the seller, look, this thing didn't work, or that thing didn't work, it doesn't work for me, sorry, or everything checks out, or everything kind of checks out and it's worth the price, whatever. This enables you to have it, and you can go to the website, you can download it for free. I don't ask for your name, nothing. It's just, you can download it. There's some ads on the website, and I do a review. I'm going to do more reviews, but I do a review on that OBD, what's it called, the OBD 2 scanner, and I have links in the checklist if you want to check out these scanners. There's that scanner that I used, then there's a more expensive one that is highly rated, and these, it just saves you time. It'll probably save you money. Instead of going to, before you have a mechanic check it out, you should have a mechanic check it out, but after you've kind of made the preliminary decision to buy the car, you have a mechanic check it out. You got to have that. But when you meet with the seller, right away you can plug this in, and right away you can get anything weird about the car right away before you even waste any more time. So the checklist is available for download. Here's the first ones. First things: research the car's market value, check the car's history report, Carfax, auto check, arrange financing if you need it, prepare a list of questions to ask the seller, verify the seller's identity and ownership documents. That's really important. Ask about the car's history, including accidents, repairs, and maintenance. Check for a clear title. Confirm the VIN number, the vehicle identification number, matches the title and history report. Check for rust, dents, and scratches. Inspect paint quality and consistency. Check for signs of accident damage. Inspect the tires, tread wear, and condition. Check the condition of the seats, dashboard, and upholstery. So you can just go down this list while the person is standing there that you're buying it from, and it's just a matter of fact. And also on this channel, I'm including inspection videos from other people on the internet. Like some mechanics have really great videos that you can use as reference, but you can't, the purpose of the download, you can't like stand there with your phone watching a video while you're looking at the car. So that's why this checklist is really convenient. There's ads on the website for other stuff. If you're interested, that helps support what I'm doing. And we'll see what comes in the future. Let me know what you'd like to see on the channel, what you'd like to see me research. Like I said, I have a review of the scanner. I have a couple of the other articles on the website, and I look forward to your comments. Thanks for watching.